Welcome to NCDEX NEXTRA training. How to install and log in to NEXTRA. You can download NEXTRA Setup EXE from common FTP. Go to URL ftp:/extranet.ncdex.com. Enter the username as member and password as ncdex123. After logging in, go to common folder, go to NCDEX documents folder, find NEXTRA folder. Under the primary folder, download NEXTRA version 3.15.1.4 zip file. Once downloaded, install the NEXTRA trading software to your workstation. On successful installation, NEXTRA icon will appear on the desktop. You are required to double click on the icon and start the NEXTRA application. On double-clicking the icon, NEXTRA launcher screen will appear. You are required to select the option as either primary VSAT LLMPLS.CFG for logging in through lease line connectivity or primary internet.cfg for logging in through internet connectivity. Before proceeding with the login, both confirm script download and clear and download all script are to be checked. Enter the user ID and password. If you do not know the password, you cannot reset the same by clicking Forgot Password option. The password can only be reset through Corporate Manager or Admin User IDs. For example, password for Corporate Manager ID can be reset through Admin User ID and vice versa. In case both passwords are not known, the password of Corporate Manager User ID can be reset only by the exchange and request can be made through Web NCFE login in under Admin Reset Password option.